Chop chop! It's Hetty here, and today I'm making for you fried raviolis with marinara sauce. Marinara sauce. Okay, I have here a cup and a half of breadcrumbs. I'm going to add a teaspoon of granulated garlic, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of grated cheese. Mix it all up. And I have a pan here and I put a few crumbs on the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is bread them like you bread chicken cutlets. Very easy. Easy peasy. Put the ravioli in the egg. These are frozen, by the way. You could do them, you don't have to freeze them. You could do them fresh. But it's great if you want to do it in advance, like a few days before Thanksgiving or a holiday. You leave them frozen and you put them back in the freezer frozen. And I'm going to bread these, put them in the pan, but I'm not going to put it back in the freezer because I'm going to fry them up tonight. We're going to have them as an appetizer. So, I'm going to bread the rest of these, and I'll be back when I'm ready to fry them. The oil is hot, and I'm going to fry the raviolis. They're still a little frozen, so make sure, don't put it on high, because you don't want it to burn on the outside and be cold in the middle. So I lowered the heat. Woo! That fell in. This is a great appetizer. My family loves it, and it's great on Christmas Eve for the people that don't like fish, because we have the Feast of the Seven Fishes. So, it's not meat, and it's not fish. There we go. I put it on 5. 5 is good. We'll see what happens. But then, you know, you don't want it to absorb all the oil either if you put the flame too low. Because I'm going to put this up again. Otherwise, you'll have oily, soggy raviolis. Okay, I'll be back when I'm ready to turn them over. So I have it on medium high because I don't want them to get oil logged. There, that's what they're supposed to look like. And on the electric, it's on 7. I don't know if you have gas or electric, but that's a perfect color. See, look. Ah, perfect color. Now, when you have a big pan on an electric stove, this side gets hot, this side doesn't get as hot. So what I do is turn it around because it's not going to be the same. Here, that one's okay. Once again, this is what they should look like. And when I'm ready, I have my marinara sauce here. I always like to keep a little marinara sauce in the refrigerator. There's always so many things you could dip in it. Bread, raviolis, mozzarella sticks. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back when I'm ready to taste test them. So this is the finished product. It's delicious. I dip it in my marinara sauce. Wow. Mmm. That's delicious. It's hot in the middle, crispy and crunchy on the outside. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this great appetizer for the holidays, for any day. Until next time, bon appetit.